What is going on, 7.3 fans? Welcome back to the 7.3 Garage. My name is Brandon. Today we have my friend Lee here with his brand new to him 1999 7.3 Power Stroke. It's a long one. You guys can see how well that camera picks it up. Crew cab, long bed, SuperDuty, 4-wheel drive. How many miles?
363.
363, one owner truck, originally a South Florida truck. We got some awesome parts here today. I'm going to show you guys. We collaborated on this video with Boost Auto. I was in touch with Josh over there, got us dialed in with a set of their SuperDuty mirrors, which we're going to show you guys. Have a couple of shots here I'm going to pull up. You guys can see as I'm talking. The product on this is great. The customer service was awesome from Josh. We reached out and he wanted to get some content done for the 99 to 03 SuperDuty trucks with their mirrors. So as you guys can see, we have a lot of good stuff here, a lot of good detailed instructions, and we have a lot of great accessories that come included when you purchase these mirrors. Again, from Boost Auto, I will include the link in the description below if anybody is interested in checking these guys out. We're going to get started. One of the first things we have to do here to get this working is take apart the door panel. Lee's working on that right now. You guys can see there's a little plastic cover here and a nice little decorative piece of black trim here. This will expose the hardware for the mirrors. So we have that opened up. We're gonna get this door panel off because we're gonna have to run a couple of wires through there, but I'll show you guys what we're looking at. So here's our mirror. Again, these things came out really nice. Boost Auto does an awesome job. Here's our switchback lights. And these are all extend and power and all that great stuff. So Lee's working on that. We are gonna get this thing ready to go. All right, we got the new mirror is actually in place, and we're just working on getting the wiring harness figured out here. So Lee's getting those tightened up. Pretty simple. Got the door panel off, which worked out pretty well. And you'll end up having to take out that front speaker, and the factory harness, or plug I should say, is in there. What I found best for me, I'll show you guys on this mirror, is getting it through the hole in the door on the outside. I had to disconnect, sorry, I had a camera problem, but had to disconnect this guy here. I gave this to Lee, and then I fed this in, and he had just plugged it in and plugged it in like that. So that ended up working out. We got the passenger side mirror dialed in. This side took a little bit longer than expected, only because we were trying to figure out the best way to run this cable, or the wires I should say, down here to the front signal wire that is going to give us our power. And took a little bit of time, some troubleshooting, but we ended up getting it. So we got the wires run down here through a grommet in the fender well here, and I'm just going to be buttoning up this side. Lee is working on this side. We did find it was going to be the easiest to access these wires on here. The instructions detail what colors are supposed to go where, but we did find that it is a lot easier to pull the headlight out on the truck unless you have a ton of room, want to take the battery out, but we found that this is the best for us. So he's currently working on getting this side apart. The driver's side, in theory, should be a little bit more of a breeze for us because we kind of figured out where everything goes. But if you guys have basic hand tools, you don't really need power tools. Basic hand tools, they include all the T-taps and stuff for all the wires. So that all ends up going together pretty smoothly. So we're gonna get this side buttoned up and show you guys the final product. Here's our final product. Came out pretty nice. The fitment is really good on these things, and the finish on them is great as well. So again, thank you to Boost Auto. Josh, I was my contact over there. These things came out really good, and Lee is happy with it, and it really changed the overall look of the truck. So I have to get some white LEDs to match the headlights, but she's in business. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kind of short and sweet, but wanted to give you a quick little rundown on the Boost Auto products. Again, my contact was Josh, really great. Helped me out, answered all my questions, sent me detailed emails. Their customer service is fantastic. So if you guys are looking for some mirrors for your 99 to 03 SuperDuty truck, get you a set of Boost Auto mirrors. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll find the answer for you. As always, keep up to date on what we got coming up here. You guys know we're building this engine for my OBS, so we got a lot more content coming for you guys. Check out Jelly Boat Performance. As always, Brian's the main sponsor of this channel. Always takes care of us and takes care of any of our 7.3 Power Stroke needs. My name is Brandon. This is the 7.3 Garage. We'll see you guys soon.